Welcome to Simple Finance. In this video, we're diving straight into the real deal of financial recovery. No fluff, no nonsense. Just practical advice to help you bounce back from those tough financial setbacks. Financial losses can happen to anyone, and it's crucial to face them head-on. Whether it's due to unexpected medical bills, a job loss, but here's the thing. Recovery is not only possible, but within your reach. The cold truth. Before we dive into recovery, let's face the cold truth. Financial losses can happen to anyone at any time. They might be big or small, but they're a part of life. Ignoring them won't make them go away, so it's essential to acknowledge the situation. It's not about blame. It's about understanding where you stand financially. Acceptance and mindset. Now, accepting the loss doesn't mean giving up. It's about recognizing that setbacks are a part of the journey. Keep a positive mindset. It's your ally. A positive attitude can help you stay focused and motivated. Know that recovery might not happen overnight, but with determination, you can move forward. Assess the damage. Next, let's assess the damage. Take a good look at your financial situation. Make a list of your debts, expenses, and income. This step is crucial for building a recovery plan. It's like drawing a map to your destination. You need to know where you are before you can get to where you want to be. The power of patience. Patience is your secret weapon in financial recovery. Understand that it might take time to get back on your feet. Avoid rushing into quick fixes or making impulsive decisions. Instead, focus on steady progress. Small, consistent steps will lead you to your financial goals. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and your financial recovery won't be either. Stay patient, and you'll see results. Staying committed. Staying committed to your financial recovery is essential. It's like running a marathon. You can't stop halfway. Along the way, you might face challenges and setbacks, but don't let them discourage you. Keep your eye on the prize. A stable and secure financial future. Celebrate your small wins and use them as motivation to keep going. Remember, consistency is the key to success in this journey. Final thoughts. In closing, remember that recovering from financial loss is a process that takes time and effort. It's not always easy, but it's entirely achievable. You have the knowledge now, and you have the power to make positive changes.